Hey you guys, today I'm back with a new video. So I'm going to be doing a very instructional video today. So when I posted my lehenga video, the one which had 5 different styles with one particular lehenga, so many of you guys DM me saying, oh my god, I wish I had a lehenga. So that kind of comments were flooding in, so I thought I would give you guys the option. And that's why in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a new lehenga just by using a sari from your mother's closet or just your sari. This video contains no stitching, so it's going to be very easy for you guys to follow. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. Here I am wearing a yellow tube top, which is going to be the blouse of my lehenga, and I'm wearing workout kind of pants because it's easy for me to tuck the pleats when I'm doing the skirt. The blue sari is going to act as the skirt of the lehenga and the white sari is going to be the shawl. I'm just going to use two different colors of saris, but you can either use the same color or you can mix and match any other color too. I'm going with blue and white and my blouse is going to be yellow, so I like that combination. You can go with any favorite colors of yours. Now I'm having 3 colors, right? You can just maybe your skirt can be pink and your sari can be yellow and your blouse can be pink, or you can just go with 3 different colors, or the skirt and the sari can be the same color and you can go with a different color of blouse, or everything same color. Anything is fine, you can get creative here. The first step is to pleat a little bit of the sari, as much as you can hold in your hand. So pleating can be hard, you can get the help from someone, or you can learn. It's actually easy if you practice it. Then I'm going to arrange the pleats within 1 to 2 inch gap. Now if you want a very buffy flat skirt, then I'd suggest you to keep the gaps for about 1 inch. After doing this, you're just gonna have to tuck everything inside your skirt or your bottom. You're going to continue this until you reach where you have started. I would actually suggest you to start from your rear, because when the two ends meet, it's going to be a little messy. But if you start from the rear, the ends are gonna meet at your rear, so it will be covered. You definitely are going to need help with this whole process, because when you're getting to your rear, it's going to be hard because you can't see what's actually happening there. So it's the best if you could get help from your mother or your sibling.
Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead.
If you find the pleat method really hard to do the skirt, this is actually another method how you can do it. There is not much I can say or explain, but you can see what's happening there, right? You just do a zigzag kind of thing and then tuck it in one by one, not pleat everything at once, but just one by one. I think that's easy if you are not very familiar with the pleats. This is how it looks when you take 1 inch of gap, but I prefer it being less flared than it looks. So I did it again and this is how it looks. And I'm also defining and making the pleats neat by using a hair iron, which is very easy and of course very effective, as you can see. Now it's time to take the other sari and start pleating the end of the sari as you would while draping a normal sari. This is just like the fall from the shoulder of a normal sari. The next step, we are gonna leave a little bit of the sari and then take the rest and pleat it all over again and tuck it in the center of your back.
Dhum dhum da na 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 dhum dhum agappa. Dhum dhum da na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa.
To complete the look, I'm gonna take the rest of the sari that I left before and start pleating that part again. Now you can see me using my hair iron again to make the pleats neat, because the sari I'm using is not the kind that stays the way you pleat it. It's quite stubborn. Now after that's done, you're just gonna tuck it in your waist, and that is it. You have a pretty little lehenga with just 2 saris. So that is it for this video. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. Comment, like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram bio in the description below. I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.